Hi! In front of me is OPPO RENO 8T, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this OPPO. First of all, you need to locate Clock app. When you find it, click on it. Now choose Alarm section at the bottom left corner if it's not already on. Then create your own by tapping on this plus icon. Finally, set tab an hour. When you're ready, you can click on Ring Once or Custom. If you wish to choose Custom, tap on it and pick days of the week. In my case, Mondays and Fridays. Then click on Alarm Name. Label your alarm however you wish to. And tap on this switcher next to Vibrate to turn on or off vibrations. Later on, click on Ringtone section. And if you want to, tap on Spotify or on this device in Custom section. This way you can log in to your Spotify account and use music from it, or pick music from your smartphone by tapping on the song that you wish to apply. You can also select Weather Adaptive at the top, or tap on one of those system ringtones, like Dreamy Jazz. Whatever you wish to do, when you're ready, click on the back button. Now click on Snooze. Switch it off or on at the top, and then, if you decided to enable it, select how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. Finally, to save your alarm, click on this check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully created. You can switch it off completely by tapping on this switcher next to it and selecting one of those options. You can turn it back on the same way. If you wish to delete it, you can always hold it. Select Delete at the bottom. And now it's gone. You can always adjust more alarm settings by tapping on those three dots at the top right corner, tapping on Settings, and managing all of them however you wish to, like ring duration. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!